In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed audio into Card website. First, head over to card.co and sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your sites. Pick the site where you want the audio to appear. To open it in the editor, click the pencil icon on that site's card. This takes you straight into the builder where you can add new elements and arrange your layout. Inside the builder, look for the Add button or the small plus icon. Click that to open the element menu. From the list of elements, choose Audio. This tells Card that you want to place an audio player on the page, and it opens a settings panel where you'll provide the link to your track or episode. Before pasting anything, take a moment to review the accepted URL formats shown in the audio panel. Card supports specific providers and link types, and using a compatible, publicly accessible link is essential. If your audio host offers multiple link styles, use the one that matches the accepted formats shown here. Also, make sure the link points to content that's available to anyone who visits your site. Now click into the URL field and paste your audio link. You don't need an embed code. Just the regular share URL from your provider. Double check for any extra spaces at the beginning or end of the link, and ensure it starts with HTTPS so it loads securely. If your platform lets you set privacy or sharing options, confirm the track is set to public so the player can load correctly on your site. Next, turn on Allow background to play if you want the audio to keep playing while visitors scroll or navigate between sections on your page. This can create a smoother listening experience. Keep in mind that some browsers and mobile devices have autoplay or background audio restrictions, so the behavior may vary based on the visitor's device and settings. When everything looks good, click Done. You'll see the audio element added to your canvas. You can drag and drop it wherever it makes the most sense in your layout, near a hero section, inside a content block, or alongside other media. Place it somewhere visible and intuitive so visitors immediately understand where to play your audio. Avoid covering important text or buttons, and keep spacing consistent for a clean look. That's it. If the player doesn't appear or won't load, revisit the accepted URL formats and confirm your link is public and supported. With these steps, your Card site now has an embedded audio player that's easy to find and pleasant to use.